guys want to take a selfie? Is that chill? Yeah! Hell yeah. Let's do it. All right, guys.
Any chance we can bring the house lights up so we can actually see? On behalf of everyone at Knights of the Zodiac, thank you and good night.
It was the first day, I think it was in the hair and makeup trailer, and I got the text, and they were like, put the wig on. And I was like, okay. And then I was like, there's no going back. Once the wig is on, it's on. And so we got the theme of the purple hair, which I'm very excited about.
Nick, in this film you have a bunch of tattoos applied to bring Cassios to life, but don't you already have a bunch of tattoos? How did that work?
And please show us.
I do. I have too many tattoos. You know, as an actor, that's not very smart. You got to cover them with makeup, and it's a real pain. But yeah, this was a first that I actually had to cover my tattoos and then put fake tattoos on top of the tattoos. I wanted to use my own, but they weren't exactly the Cassios style. Mine kind of have color and stuff like that, and they look a little modern. And Cassios has more of like kind of a Soviet era prison kind of vibe going on, you know.
That's not you. That's not you.
Kind of like some. They look kind of crude and sort of like he got him in prison, you know, basically. They were cool, but you know, they weren't exactly like the ones that I have.
So there's none that you thought about keeping?
No. I don't need any more, you know. So.
Mark, between tattoos and Mylock getting injured, you spent a lot of time in the makeup chair. How does this film compare to your previous work?
You know, without you know, and you know, if you look at Mylock in the anime and manga, he also had a shaved head, so that was a good thing, right? So I saved a lot of time in the hair chair because I wasn't in it, but and in terms of makeup, it was pretty minimum. You know, I did a show a long time ago with Marlon Brando called The Island of Dr. Moreau. I did 4 hours of prosthetics and then 1 hour to take it off.
Oh my gosh.
So comparatively, this was seriously a dream job.
I saw what you did in the ring. And it had to be you, Seiya. What if I told you Sienna here is the reincarnation of the goddess Athena? And you are destined to become one of her guardian knights. How does that feel to be a goddess?
Sometimes I feel like I'm a guest in my own body.
Are you ready to start your training? The Pegasus Knight is brave, humble, and committed to protecting Athena with his life.
How the hell did you do that?
The war that awaits us is unlike any other before. I must save the rest of us from her.
You think I wanted any of this?
Liability. Once he learns to control it, no living man will be able to stop him.
You might want to buckle up.
Thought you were the only knight in town?
One last question before we wrap this up. Why call it Knights of the Zodiac instead of Saint Seiya?
Knights of the Zodiac, when it was first translated, the anime, I think it was first in France, and they called it Chevalier du Zodiac. So Chevalier in English, Knights. I think it was a very good translation after all. And the Zodiac part, that confuses everybody. Zodiac is basically 12 constellations. But Seiya, Phoenix, Pegasus, Phoenix, even Eagle are not via the called ZODIAC. But I think, you know, they call it insane in Japanese, but it's the manga and anime is the story of a Seiya becoming into a saint. So I see it as Seiya becoming into a knight, Zodiac, Knights of the Zodiac, meaning one of the 12 gold knights. Meaning, I think I really want this film to continue. Maybe 9 more films, 10 more films.
Yes!
All the chapters of the Saint Seiya saga.
Excellent, thank you. To close, I'd like to thank Toei Animation for giving me the privilege of hosting this panel for you today. Thank you to WonderCon for hosting us. Thank you to all of you for spending some time with us. Thank you again to all of our guests, producer Yoshi Kizawa, Mark Dacascos, Diego Tinoco, Madison Iseman, Famke, Janssen, and Nick Stahl. Knights of the Zodiac opens Friday, May 12th. More information is available online at kotzmovie.com and by following the social media handle kotzmovie. There's an autograph session with members of the cast on the WonderCon show floor at 4:30. Before everyone leaves, though, we would like to take a quick selfie. If Diego's ready.
Let's do it. You guys want to take a selfie? Is that chill?
Yeah!
Hell yeah. Let's do it. All right, guys.
Any chance we can bring the house lights up so we can actually see? On behalf of everyone at Knights of the Zodiac, thank you and good night.